Do you know owl doesn't make sound? Listen closely. Two birds make noise, but the third one almost silent. Here is the pigeon.
Good girl.
Nothing surprising as we know about the pigeon. Clap. And the falcon.
Moses. Mo.
Still loud. The whoosh is in the air being showed around the wing. Now was the third, the owl.
And now,
It
it's Kenz's turn.
glides and the microphone barely pick up a thing. Owls aren't magically silent. Their feathers are uniquely shaped. This landing edge has tiny serrations that smooth out the air, and their soft wing surface absorbs noise. So when we hear silence, it's not missing sound, it's nature's stealth tech at work. No sound, water hunting. No sound, evolution's engineering.